Hello, I am Shyamdhar Upadhyay from Thakur Ramnaran College of Law. Currently, I am in fourth year of my 5-year course. I have taken the real estate law course from Law Sikho. I have always been interested in real estate law so as to get a better understanding and knowledge about how the industry works, as well as a better understanding of the real estate law. And to get a better edge in my CV, I took the real estate law course. Ma'am, this course was really beneficial in both term as well as in both term theoretical as well as practical. Theoretical, ma'am, there was I got to learn about not just real estate law but all other legislation which were in interaction with real estate law, be it IBC or other acts. As well as being on the practical front, I got to learn how to draft various documents, as well as how to work on the due diligence part in the real estate industry. The live session was really very good. The faculty used to start with, explaining as to what would be the today's session all about, going on with explanation of the concepts, simultaneously clearing all my doubts, not just mine, but other participants also. And at the end of the session, there used to happen a doubt clearing session also. So that was really helpful for us. As well as on the LMS, there is a doubt clearing portal where we could post our doubt, and within 24 hours our doubts get cleared. So that was very helpful. Will be useful for all those people who are a student and willing to get a job in the real estate sector, or a practicing professional who is willing to better his career perspective in real estate, as well as any person who is interested in real estate. He can take up this course. Law Sikho is really a good platform to learn practical aspect of the law, because theoretical aspect is available everywhere but not practical aspect, and it is really helpful, be it in terms of faculty or be it in terms of the management system. There is quick response from the faculty itself and from the management, and if we have any doubt or any other query, it is resolved quickly. So that's why Law Sikho is a better as compared to other learning platforms.